Okay, so this video is going to show my new Airkewld air ride suspension. Very nice from Pete at Airkewld. Right now it's all the way up. Very nice. So now it's all the way down. Looks really nice. We'll look at this a little closer. So this is my 66 Pug. Started in November of 2009. Drove it home in a rainstorm, about 2.5 hours. And I've been working on it ever since. The first thing I did was take the body off the pan and completely restore the pan. Made a couple phone calls to Pete. And I ordered his full air ride suspension kit for it. I ordered a front beam, 4-inch narrowed front beam. I ordered the Bad Series brakes, front and rear. Take a look here, get down a little closer, see if we can get in there and see those Bad Series rear brakes. Look very nice. Very nice. That's the rear ones. Car is about 85% complete right now, in my opinion. Here's the front ones. Got their Willwood brake caliper. The way I mounted my air switches is I built this custom console. Basically houses my front and rear switches, left and right, my power windows and my power door locks. Have some air gauges in there. Had those custom made to go with the dash gauges that are up here in the front. I also have some of Pete's Iron Cross billet hinges. Don't have them on the car yet. As you can see, I haven't got the hood ready to mount yet. It's a full custom 12-volt conversion I've got going on here. All new interior. Still have the doors in process. But if it wasn't for Pete at Airkewld, this car would not be the cool car that you see sitting here today. Awesome person to deal with. Pete's very knowledgeable. More than happy to help you with anything you need help with. Questions on any of the products. Again, I've got the full air ride suspension, the Bad Series brakes front and rear, the ultimate front beam, got the billet hood hinges with gas shocks. Recently I got the jack plugs. Here's a jack plug. I've powder coated it in a silver metallic. Doesn't show up on this camera very well, but it's beautiful. Again, talk to Pete, go to his website, a lot of good information, www.airkewld.com. Thanks.